Okay, hello people, and welcome back to another video. It's been a while. Hey Max. We have finally got some parts back for our bike. As you can see, we have the shock parts made up for us. We have the rear subframe. It's been remade for us. License plate, tail light indicator holders. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start putting things back together, and yeah, just see how everything lines up, how it looks, and we'll go from there. Then we'll need to get some paint on this. So yeah, let's rip into it. Cool. So yeah, just a closer look at the shock. I've just pulled it off of the rear swing arm there. You can see these bushings that they made for us, one on either side, to take up this gap. You can see this piece that they've machined for me. Very cool. So also a closer look at where my tail light and license plate are going to go. And I've got them to weld some little washers on here so I can run my cable and get a zip tie, get it all tied up nicely. So yeah, these are the original legs, I suppose you call it. And we changed the angle slightly to try and jack this up a bit. So yeah, very cool. Okay, so I just slid this part up in, got the bolt through, and just tightening it up. This is just a test fit, like I say. Get these two bushings back on this shock here. So hard doing this one-handed. Okay, I gotta put the camera down. Okay, so I really didn't film much of that because that was an absolute struggle. I needed all hands on deck, and yeah, but she's in there, and looks pretty fantastic. We obviously got a layer of dust on this thing like crazy, so it needs to be still cleaned up, but yeah, very happy with that. I think you'll agree that looks pretty cool. There used to be a battery box here. There's not going to be a battery box now. I want this to be as open as possible. So what I'll do now is I'll just throw the brake light indicators on, and the license plate, which we'll just tape in place just to see what she looks like. It's certainly looking like a motorbike again. Okay, so we have tail light, turn signals, license plate. Like I said in a previous video, this is being replaced with a black one, similar to the black style that's on that one. That's how the license plates used to be in New Zealand back pre-1990 maybe. They all used to be black with silver letters, and so this one will be getting changed, so it's just held on there with tape. But it does stick out, but we've got to have it. It's part of the regulations of having a motorbike, unfortunately. I don't like them vertically mounted. I think they look stupid, but I've still got two illuminated bolts to light up the license plate. This is all just sitting on here, still in mock-up phase, I guess you could say. So such a nice skinny bike, so slim, looks cool. So we're one step further. Okay, so just whack the foot pegs back on. Just had a sit on the bike. Feels pretty good. So yeah, next job I guess is to get all this back off again. Get this subframe painted. I'm just looking at the angle of this tail light here. I might have to bend this bracket up a bit just to get this a little bit more level. It looks a wee bit too far down for my liking. That should be fairly easy to do. But yeah, apart from that, super happy. She's been a long project, that's for sure. Still got to get new tyres. Lots to do. I'm going to have to start making a list and working my way through it. Okay people, I'm going to leave this video here. It's just going to be a short and sweet one. We're back into it now. We're almost at Christmas. So yeah, I'm going to have a few days off. I'm going to do some work on this. Sorry about the flickering. It's driving me insane, these bloody lights. I've tried mucking around with the camera. It seems to come and go. The further away I am, who knows. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about the rear shock. I think it looks pretty damn good. And yeah, we shall see you in the next one. Okay, out of here.